Hello friends, are you struggling to do pull-ups? In this video I'm gonna show you how to do pull-ups and how to increase the number of reps. If you are not able to do one, then it means you're not able to pull your own body weight. So that means you have to increase your pulling strength. So guys, let's start from the basics. You can use a bar and stand with a little inclination to the ground. So you can pull up and touch the bar with your chest. Do as many reps as you can until you get comfortable with this. You will find your arms and shoulders getting engaged here. I recommend you to do a minimum of 20 to 30 reps of this pull-up, and you can do 3 sets of it. And after this, you can increase the angle. You can keep your feet a little forward so that you pull a little more of your body weight. And guys, again, touch the bar with your chest and do as many reps as you can. I recommend you to do 12 to 20 reps of this and do this 3 sets, okay? So guys, every day before you try doing pull-ups, actual pull-ups, you have to do all these things, 3 sets, remember. And when you're done with this, you can go on to do the negative pull-ups. So what you have to do is jump and hold your chin above the bar and descend gradually. You could descend for 5 to 10 seconds. Do this every day until you're able to do an actual pull-up. And when you're able to do a minimum of 10 reps of this negative pull-up, you can increase the height of the bar. So guys, this is what happens when you increase the height of the bar. You have to jump and use a little of your pulling strength to take your chin above the bar and hold it there and descend gradually for 5 to 10 seconds. So guys, do this every day. Remember, patience and consistency is very important. You have to do it regularly before you try to do an actual pull-up. And slowly you'll start to feel your pulling strength getting improved. So guys, even when you're able to do an actual pull-up, do these every day until you do a minimum of 10 reps. And after this, you can try leg rise pull-ups, and you can change the grips. You can do chin-ups. Chin-ups are easier than pull-ups actually. So you can try this one. And then you can change the grip. You can do wide arm or wide grip pull-ups. And then you can do the close grip pull-up. So I'll post on the video on the types of pull-ups you can do. And then you can try the L-set pull-ups. So these are harder than the normal pull-ups. So first you have to practice the L-set. So this will help you increase your shoulder strength and also core strength. So guys, you can also try changing the grip. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, press the subscribe button for more videos. And if you have any doubts, please drop a comment. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.